Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review and unbox the Samsung UFlex headphones. It's a wireless neckband style headphones. Let's just unbox right now. Let's check the box overview. It's written flexible bendable neckband, best in class two-way speakers, stable Bluetooth sound over interface. It's written 3799. Okay, that's good. Listen to your music in superior comfort. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, there's the headphones. Some quick start guide maybe. Let's check out what's written here. Some shortcuts. Okay, it's written listen to your music in superior comfort. It's cardboard box. Okay, let's check out what's inside here. Okay, it's charging cable, and unfortunately it's micro USB. Samsung has not provided any Type-C cable. Okay, let's check it. What's else inside? Okay, there's some, I think it's the extra buds, large and small. Mediums are here. It's already pre-fitted here. And what else? Okay, it's a quick start guide. If you're bored, then you may read this, or else just throw it away. Maybe you may not use it. Okay, let's keep all this aside for now. Let's take out the headphones itself. Okay. Okay, these are the headphones. Is there anything else in the box? No. That's it. There's nothing else. Okay. There's the headphones. Okay, let's get a physical overview of the headphones. Here you go. It's a play pause button. Then this is a flexible rubber band. It's flexible and you can keep it in your pocket. One of the most advertised products of this is flexibility. And then let's go to the other side. It's Samsung branding is given, and it's a multifunction key. You can activate Google Assistant or whatever. Maybe if you're using iPhone, you can use the Siri or maybe Alexa also if you have the app. And this is the magnetic earbuds. It's magnetic. It's a nifty feature though. They are the ear tips. Okay, so the build quality is good. It has rubber, it has some part of metal and the plastic. Let me show you the bag. The bag here has some model number details and others. And here is the power switch on and pairing mode. That's it. And regarding the review of these headphones, I've been using these headphones for around a month, and I should say the audio quality is good. It's not bass heavy, not for bass lovers, neither it's treble heavy. It's a balanced sound. If you want more bass, you have to activate bass mode or something in your equalizer of your phone which are connected. The sound isolation in this is good. If you keep it in your ears, the fit is also very good. And as soon as when you keep it in your ears, the ambient noise, which is the outside noise, is reduced up to 40 to 50%, which is a very good thing because it doesn't has any kind of noise cancellation. Without noise cancellation, you're getting this kind of isolation. That's very good. Fit, as I said, it's perfect fit. I tried jumping, running, jogging, and it was in my ears. There was no it didn't come out. Perfect for sports, even for gym. It's not IP rated though, but you get some type of sweat resistance. It's comfortable to wear because it's rubber. Even if you're in sweaty regions, it stays in your neck and doesn't jump or move away like this or that. And the battery life, I get around 1 week of battery life, and my usage is around, it varies around 10 to 15 calls per day and 1.5 hours to 2 hours of music. I charge it on Sundays and get till Saturday evening, most probably till Saturday afternoon or maybe Saturday night. That's it. And the disadvantage is the wire length is too long. It's really too long from ear to ear. Whenever you put it in your ears like this, some extra wires already there. I don't know why Samsung did that. And another one is the wires when you're when you're having your lunch or dinner, while you're bending down to eat, you take your foot in the table, it just hangs like this, which can cost you. It stops you from eating. I don't know why, because the wire length is too long. And even if you're attending a call in one in your ears and one it keeps on hanging, so it's very freely, it hangs very freely. That's a disadvantage. Maybe you have to keep it aside while having your lunch or breakfast or dinner. Regarding mic, you have one mic here. I think, yeah, there's one mic here. It's a single mic. It has some basic noise cancellation while talking to calls on this are crisp and clear. There's no problem. And regarding the price, it comes around 3,500 in Amazon and Flipkart. My suggestion is go with any discounts. The price for this headphones will be around, like, my suggested pricing will be around 2,500 to 3,000 rupees INR. It's worth if you buy between 2,500 or 3,000. More than that, I think it's not worth, because you don't get IP rating. There's no aptX, Qualcomm aptX ST playback. Neither there's any kind of noise cancellation. No, I should not accept, but still there's nothing here. So my pricing will be around 2,500 to 3,000. That's a good choice. Maybe you can buy from Amazon Flash. Any sales, like Great Indian sales or maybe Flipkart sales. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Do like, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.